I'm Amanda Siliker for Canadian HR Reporter TV. Elizabeth Mills is the President and CEO of Safe Workplace Promotion Services Ontario. She spoke with us at the Partners in Prevention Conference about the restructuring of health and safety associations in Ontario. Elizabeth, can you explain exactly what happened with the amalgamation?
So the organization called SWAPSO is just one organization that has been created in the last 3 to 4 months. The amalgamation for us involved taking 3 incredible organizations and their legacies and combining the best of those things and putting them forward with a new group of people working together. With the system changing, it's also other amalgamations. So there's actually 4 companies being created from 12. What we recognized is that when we've gone out in the past as prevention leaders, as Health and Safety Association executives, and as customers, we really engage with them and ask them to change. We ask them to consider what is it that would make your workplace a little bit better or a lot better by taking some considerate time to think through how to improve workplace safety. When you step back and take a look at the energy that then our customers so successfully put into that change request, we knew that we needed to take that obligation on ourselves. Were we as a system structured so well that we knew in the core of our being that we were offering our aligned best to the prevention customer base? And we weren't. We knew that. So we took some time, did some really good work studying the efforts of the prevention system in 2007 and 2008. And in 2009, the board of directors of the WSIB approved the change to put into place the amalgamation of 4 new organizations. It's a difficult task. It's not easy to do amalgamations. I'm sure that many of our clients go through it. And to do that in the not-for-profit world, in the middle of a recession, when it's really also quite a tenuous time, was also, I think, pretty difficult. But it's also the kind of energy that really comes from recognizing that what we're asking people to do, especially our staff and our volunteers and our boards, is to tap into that core passion that says we're standing up for prevention, we're standing up for health and safety. And there is no better cause than being able to offer more back to the workers in this province of Ontario. If we truly believe in prevention, then this amalgamation can be a success.
And what are some of the main benefits of this amalgamation for employers?
There's sort of several that I would highlight. Clearly, what we found is that we had a lot more common than we did different. And what was great about that was the speed with which we could turn services back out to the customer base. But what we also found was interesting enough that a lot of our products, because they were tailored to different sectors, are actually complementary. They don't conflict. But what we now have is an incredible rich resource of assets that represent new product opportunities, new knowledge that not only we can transfer to staff in their interactions with customers, but we can automatically turn around and put that back out to the customer base. So it's almost been the richness of having choice that we never thought possible before in having products and services that were far beyond our today reach are now present in our organization. The other piece is that there was a strong commitment in the business case from the WSIB to move new resources to the front line, and we've already started that process at SWAPSO. So this year there will be new resources that we've already made a commitment in the business design to create. And we've made it quite clear that over the next 3 to 5 years that we continue that pattern of reinvestment of the amalgamation work in the new resources in the front line.
And what are some of your main goals?
We really have some obligations that I think from a very prudent point of view, from a management point of view, the Workplace Safety and Insurance Board is looking for us to have the fiduciary responsibilities made very clear to them and our customer base, that the investments made in an amalgamation and the outcomes achieved are really something that we can document. And so there's some business case work that we're doing every day to support that work. We are also really quite excited about the opportunity to have within our organization a knowledge management and knowledge mobilization division, and within that now an opportunity to grow our staff and grow our knowledge set for our customer base.